Hello, this is our smart hotel solution. Our brand name for smart hotel solution is Netro, and the solution has some very important parts. We have a core part in the panel. This can connect to 4 lights, the DND, makeup my room, AC, and also occupancy. So the occupancy, when the visitor comes to the room, when you insert the room card, the first light is on and the occupied side is on. So from here, the housekeeping and the reception can get the information the room is occupied. When the room is occupied, when you press the bell button can work. After, in the entrance of the room, we have 3 simple buttons. You can design and use any kind of switch with our system, because this core can be used with any type of lift switch. This lift switch, like here, is the first light, here is the second light, here is the third light, here is the fourth light. You can also use this one as manual, and you can have an extension of switches near your bedroom part or near your office part. So here, when you enter the room, the first light is first on and the occupancy is on. When the visitor wants to clean up the room, when you press the make up my room, this make up my room sign is on, and the housekeeping can get this information in a second, so they can have a reserve for the make up my room. After, when the DND sign is on, the make up my room is off, because if you are at the room and you don't want anyone to disturb you, the make up my room is off. And also, when do not disturb is on, when you press the bell button, you see the do not disturb sign is blinking and the bell doesn't ring. When do not disturb is off, you see it comes back to make up my room and also the bell starts to ring. We can also design different types of do not disturb modules. We can change the glass, we can change the shape, and we can change the design, we can change the colors. So all the system, DND, the switches, and the DND make up my room buttons are directly connected to here. So when the visitor wants to sleep, we can have also 3 different scenes here. So for example, this button is the all off button. So you see when the user presses this, all light is on, so we can go out. Also we have another button. This is the balcony button. This is used manually, so you can leave it open or you can leave it closed. The AC is very easy to use, because you can use our system with only using our hotel system module on the panel, and you can add the DND, you can add the switch, and also if you have a fan coil controller, VRV controller, you can use our thermostat. Our thermostat is very easy to use, just on and off here, the mode here, fan modes here, and up and down here. So when you see the RT is the room temperature, when you want to make it up, you see it's written set here. So you set the temperature to 30, in 2 minutes it gets a signal, and now the heat is on, and it can control 2 pipe systems, and also it can control the fan modes, low, medium, high. And when the visitor wants to go out, now you see, for example, the AC is on, light is on. When the user takes the card, after 30 seconds, the room is coming to the off mode, so all the lights are off, the thermostat is off, so it can save energy by using this. Also, if the user, as you see it's closed, if the user is open to the window when he's inside, or door when he's inside, this magnet is also connected to the system. So when you open the window, for 30 seconds the thermostat works. But if the visitor leaves the door open, or if the visitor leaves the window open, then it also cuts the thermostat energy, so it comes to the energy saving mode again. And this is the core of the system, so you can use for one room, you need to have one of our master controller, and you can add some DND, you can add the thermostat, you can add our card reader. Besides the room, we have a gateway which can be connected to the room controllers. And there is no cable between the room controllers and the gateway. So in one room, we have just this. For example, for 10 rooms, you have the same set, and the room controller can control 10 rooms or 14 rooms according to your room gangs. So if you have in one room only one master controller, our gateway can be used for more than 10 rooms. When we use the gateway, you can also get the information from IP, from any computer you want, from the technician you can get this information. You can get the make up my room, occupancy, and do not disturb information from the core of the hotel. And also you have some advantages to use this information. For example, when the visitor presses the make up my room, after the housekeeping comes in 30 minutes, cleans the house, cleans the room, and go out. So we can get also the information about when the make up my room sign is on, when the housekeeping cleans the house, cleans the room and takes it out. We can also gather this information to our master PC in the hotel, and the hotel can make also performance adjustment from using our system. And also this thermostat and total system has some energy saving modes. Besides, this card can work like the energy saver. This thermostat has also a sleep mode. When you press into the sleep mode, in 1 hour, this set temperature comes 1 degree down, and the second 1 hour comes 1 more degree down. So totally, you have 2 degrees also energy saving mode. Thank you.